This store has only been around for 7 months and they've already made over $150,000 in revenue. But hold on, they're not the only ones. There's another store that made $66,000, another one with $45,000, and yet another with $19,000. It seems like all these stores are onto something big, selling a product that's totally trending right now. What surprises me is that I haven't seen anyone talking about it on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to spill the beans and show you step by step how to launch a similar business and use AI to crush your competition and really stand out. Alright, let's get straight to the good stuff. The product I'm talking about is this awesome drinking tumbler. This store I found has a bunch of designs and shapes for these tumblers and they're doing pretty well. I mean, just by looking at their name, you can tell that they're all about tumblers. They're really focusing on selling different tumbler designs in specific niches. And get this, they're basically selling a PNG image with a cool design on it. The prices are actually quite low, but trust me, they're making a ton of money. How do I know? Well, just by looking at the crazy number of daily reviews they're getting. Oh, and I've got this core tool called Allura that gives me more info about the store. So according to Allura, this store launched back in September 2022, which means it's been around for about a year. And guess what? In that short period, they've already made over $100,000. Isn't that insane? And if we look at their monthly stats, they're making around $20,000 per month. I mean, come on, that's mind-blowing. Let's take this one listing, for example. It's bringing in about $3,000 every month and has generated over $6,000 in total revenue. And get this, they've uploaded over 1,300 listings. No wonder they're making these crazy numbers. That's why I always say the more you upload, the quicker you'll start seeing results. Alright, let's dive into how you can make money with this product. I know you're probably wondering, how can I get in on this? Well, I've got 2 ways for you to make some cash. The first way is by selling physical tumblers. You create a cool design and then upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Printify. They'll handle all the fulfillment and shipping for you, making your life a lot easier. Now, let me break it down for you. To get started, you'll need to open an Etsy store if you don't already have one. The best part is, opening a store on Etsy is free. But here's a little heads up. You'll need to pay 20 cents if you want to add a listing. Now, the second way to make money is by selling digital designs. It's a popular method too, so you've got options. Now we'll cover both methods, so no need to worry. So, are you ready to start making some serious cash? Let's jump straight into it. Okay, let's get your Etsy store connected with Printify. Head over to printify.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're all set up, you can easily connect your Etsy store by clicking on Add New Store at the top and signing in with your Etsy account. Now, if Etsy isn't available in your area, no worries. You can still use the same strategy on other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms can also be connected with Printify, giving you even more options. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to start creating your product designs. Here's where the fun begins. We're going to use a cool tool called Midjourney. It's an AI image generator that lets you create awesome images just by writing a simple line of text, known as a prompt. To use Midjourney, first you need to create a free Discord account. After that, go to midjourney.com and click on Join the Beta. That's it. You've now joined the Midjourney server. However, if you plan on using the generated images for commercial purposes, you will need to have a paid subscription. If you're just starting out, the $10 plan should be just fine. Now, generating images on Midjourney is a breeze. All you have to do is type a / and choose the Imagine option. From there, you can describe the image you want to create and Midjourney will work its magic. Alright, let's keep the momentum going. So after you've generated your awesome design, it's time for the final step, listing your product. But don't worry, whether it's a t-shirt, mug, poster, or anything else, the process is pretty much the same. Here's what you gotta do. Head over to Printify and choose the product you want to sell. In our case, we're all about tumblers, so I'll just hover over the catalog and select bottles and tumblers. Check it out, you've got a bunch of different options to choose from. Feel free to pick the one that catches your eye. Once you open the product, you'll need to choose a print provider. Usually you'll have loads of options and then just click on Start Designing to get things rolling. Now it's time to upload the design you created in Midjourney. Also, make sure it fits perfectly in the print area. On the right side, you'll find the option to add text. This comes in handy if you want to create personalized products. Oh, and if you click on preview, you'll get a sneak peek of how the final product will look. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, click on Save Product to move on to the last step. Now on this page, you can fine-tune the product information and get it ready to publish. Start with a product title and description. And here's a little tip. Take a look at similar listings and see what's already working for them. Just remember, don't copy everything word for word. Stay authentic. Alright, let's talk about pricing. It's a good idea to have a profit margin of around 60 to 70%, but I suggest starting with a slightly lower price to attract those initial sales. Once you've gained some traction, you can gradually increase the price. Smart move, right? When you're all set, just click on publish and bam, your product is officially listed on Etsy. The best part is that you can still make tweaks and edits from your Etsy dashboard. For example, you can add more images or tags to make your listing even more enticing. Remember, the details matter. Alright, let's dive into the next step. Now, when you get an order, the magic happens automatically. It gets sent to Printify and they take care of everything. They'll get the order ready and ship it directly to your customer. It's like having your own printing and shipping team without the hassle. Here's how it works. Let's say you get an order for $30. You go to Printify, order the product for $15, and they handle the rest. They'll print the order and ship it straight to your customer. Boom. You just made a $15 profit, all without worrying about printing, shipping, or dealing with inventory. It's a stress-free way to make money if you ask me. So that was the first method. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer. Now let's move on to the second way, which is selling Tumblr designs. Just like the store we discussed earlier. The process is pretty similar with a small twist. Instead of physical products, you'll be selling digital ones. Let's say you want to sell a bundle with 5 different Tumblr designs. To start, create those awesome designs in Midjourney. Once you're done, upload them to a Google Drive or Dropbox folder. Your goal now is to guide your customers to this folder after their purchase so they can access the products easily. The best way to do that is by heading to canva.com. It's a fantastic tool. There you can create a simple PDF page. This page should have a button that leads customers to your created folder. So when you have that page ready, just download the PDF. Then hop on over to Etsy to create a new listing. As usual, add the necessary product information like title, description, and price. But this time, make sure you set the product type to digital. Scroll down to where it says digital files and attach the PDF you created. Now, anyone who buys the product will get this PDF file. When they click the button, they'll be taken straight to the Google Drive folder to access the designs. It's super convenient. Once everything looks good, click on publish and you are good to go. But remember, no matter which method you choose, it's important to put in time and effort. Don't expect to make $100,000 in 7 months, though that would be incredible. The point is, with hard work and dedication, you can definitely make money online. Take what you do seriously and the results will come. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you later.